Hi, good morning. Today we will solve IITJEE mains problem, that is session 1 2024, that is happened in January. Let us go to the problem. The problem is like this. It is asked in 27th January shift 1, that is question paper physics problem on thermodynamics. So mass of air is given. The mass of air is given as 0.08 kg of air is heated at constant volume. The thermodynamic process is given as a constant volume through 5 degrees centigrade. That is delta T, rise in temperature is given in the process, that is 5 degrees centigrade. The specific heat of air at constant volume is CV value is given, but the units will be kilocalories per kg degree centigrade. So, and J value is given as 4.18 joules per calorie for conversion into calories into joules. Now we need to calculate change in its internal energy. Change in its internal energy, that is delta U, we need to find. So based on thermodynamic process, based on as per first law of thermodynamics, Q is given by Q is equal to delta U plus W. So here W is called as PdV. Therefore, Q is equal to delta U plus PdV. Since it is a constant volume process, change in volume is 0. This term will become 0. Change in volume, since it is a constant volume process, change in volume is 0. Therefore, this term is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write delta U is equal to Q, that is M CV delta T. So, M value is given as 0.08 and C value is given as 0.17, that is in kilocalories per kg degree centigrade, and the conversion is into joules 4.18, that is joules per calorie, plus into rise in temperature is 5 degrees centigrade. So if you do this calculation, the value will be approximately 284 joules. 284 joules. Therefore, the correct option is 3. This is the correct action. This is the third option is the correct option. So very simple problem. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubts, you can contact me at this WhatsApp number 9885404470. And this is my YouTube channel. I request all of you, if you like this video, subscribe my video for more videos. Thank you.